This is 6 minutes a day keeps you a good sense of English EP7. Today's topic, the start of winter, traditions and taboos of the Lìdōng solar term. Today's speaker, Jenny, has an American accent. Connor has an Ireland accent.
Connor, long time no see. How have you been?
Hi Jenny. I'm doing well, what about you?
I'm great too. I can't believe Lìdōng is already here.
I know, time really flies. In Taiwan, Lìdōng represents the start of winter. This year it falls on the 8th of November.
That's right. For Taiwanese people, Lìdōng has always been an important solar term full of meaning and customs. Since ancient times, it signifies the turning of the seasons.
Definitely. Many traditional customs and taboos in Taiwan are associated with Lìdōng. People would follow certain traditions to welcome winter and pray for good fortune in the coming months.
Yes, Lìdōng is seen as a crucial time to prepare for the cold winter ahead. There are also many Taiwanese sayings related to Lìdōng, like wear thicker clothes to keep warm without worries when Lìdōng arrives.
Wow, how interesting. Could you tell me more about Lìdōng traditions in Taiwan? I'd love to learn more.
Sure. One common tradition is eating certain foods that are considered lucky or beneficial during Lìdōng, like ginseng chicken soup, shrimp and tofu stew, meat soups, tangyuan and more.
How unique. These dishes really seem perfect for welcoming winter. I'll definitely have to try making them. Apart from foods, what other Lìdōng customs are there?
Some other common practices include putting on thick winter clothing, thoroughly cleaning the house, and jumping in hot pots of boiling water.
I see, all practical preparations for the upcoming cold weather. What does jumping in hot pots mean?
Jumping in hot pots is a Lìdōng tradition in Taiwan. On this day, people would gather to boil pots of water and jump into the boiling water together. This symbolizes dispelling diseases and evil spirits.
What an interesting folk custom. Apart from customs, I guess Lìdōng must also have some traditional taboos, right?
Right. Lìdōng in Taiwan has many traditional taboos, especially related to clothing. For example, people shouldn't wash or dry clothes on Lìdōng, as it's said to wash away good luck.
I see. Are there any other clothing taboos? Not washing clothes sounds challenging.
Definitely, like not getting haircuts, not buying new clothes or shoes, and avoiding wearing brightly colored clothing.
Wow, those are really detailed taboos. Is there some common reasoning behind them?
Yes, these taboos are meant to prevent losing one's fortune and energy in winter. New haircuts or clothes were seen as inauspicious, so people avoided changes to preserve luck.
I understand now, thanks for explaining. Apart from clothing, what other major Lìdōng taboos are there?
You're welcome. Another big taboo is avoiding construction work. It was believed that starting projects during Lìdōng would lead to financial losses and accidents.
Good to know, I'll avoid any construction work this Lìdōng. Are there also any special good luck practices?
Definitely. Like lighting lanterns to symbolize welcoming light, eating red bean soup for prosperity, worshipping the earth god, and more.
Those sound like great traditions. I should get some lanterns and red beans. Are there any lesser-known Lìdōng customs?
There are some more unique ones, like hanging chili peppers by the door to ward off snakes and mice, and displaying peach blossoms to dispel insects. Oh, and since this year's Lìdōng coincides with ripe apples, apple picking is also considered auspicious.
How interesting, very unique customs. Ripe apples being a good sign means this Lìdōng is full of good fortune. Thank you for sharing so much about Lìdōng traditions and knowledge in Taiwan.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. If you follow these customs, I believe you'll have a lucky winter ahead. Stay warm this Lìdōng.
Sure, I'll do my best to adhere to them. Happy Lìdōng.
Today's vocabulary, repeat after me. Lìdōng. Lìdōng. Represents. Represents. Falls on. falls on, solar term, solar term, traditional customs, traditional customs, taboos, taboos, beneficial, beneficial, practical, practical, dispelling, dispelling, folk, folk, fortune, fortune, inauspicious, inauspicious, construction, construction, lanterns, lanterns, peach blossoms.
Thanks for your watching. Have a good day. If you don't want to miss the next video, remember to subscribe and turn on the bell. The vocabulary in today's video are blocked in the description. You are welcome to download and review. Keep practicing and you will get the results you deserve.